It's a great day for a drive in a 2019 E-450 in white with gray cloth seats. Up front you have seating for two and the rest is cargo. And you also have a CD player as well. It has a sliding door between the cargo area and the front. As well, it has a 6.8 liter 10-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, and it's a rear wheel drive. It also has this handle in the back, making it easier to open, as well as the strap, and you've also got a ramp, as well as a step. And you can see it's quite high, so you can put lots of stuff in there. And then when you're ready to take off, you lock it up and head out, either for your leisurely evening or take off on your latest adventure. And you can take this one out for a test drive. You can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we have more to show you, and we look inside and out. It's a 6.8 liter 10-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a rear wheel drive. Let's have a look inside. The door, you've got manual locks and handles as well as windows. The driver's seat is manually adjusted and you've got these nice armrests. And there's a step as well as a grab handle and lighting off to the side. And then you've got your hazard lights located there. And I'm just going to start up the vehicle. It's got this basic key, no fob on it, but that's okay. Starts up really easily. And we've got an automatic shifter, and you've got the tow haul on the end here, and it'll appear to the left when you press the end of the steering shifter, and then press it again, it'll come right off. You got little cubbies, and as well you got a CD player, AM, FM, and as well you've got your fan there, then your heat and your vent, a couple of 12-volt outlets. You just pop those back in when you don't need them, and you've got an auxiliary line, nice little bin and lots of cup holders, bin down below. And the passenger also has an armrest. There's a glove compartment off to the side, grab handle in the body, and up top is your dome lighting. You've also got a nice little pass-through. And right now it's open, but you can close that up, and there's a bolt on the floor. 16-inch wheels, black door handle, and it has a manual lock. And then this is the box. It's quite big. This is an E-450. And in the back you have this roll-up panel, and I've released it. Now it can be locked up if you wanted to. You could put a lock on there, and there's a strap and a handle. So just lift right up, and it goes up easily. And you can see the tracks on the side there. You've got the cut through, the wooden floor. So lots of room in there. And there's also a ramp that comes out underneath here. So you can pull that out, and then you've got your reflective tape there, plus a step. And then you're all set to go. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and head out on your latest adventure, or just walk away after a long day of work. I'd mention as well that this is a gas vehicle, and your gas cap is located here, and you just give it a twist, and you're ready to go. This vehicle does not have a side door, only a back door, and then the passenger doors. So I just wanted to show you, when we come in on the passenger side, and you can also do it on the driver's side, there's a pass-through. And that takes you to the back box back there, and you're seeing tie-down tracks along the side. And up top here, you've got your light dome lighting as well. And this can be closed up, and it's got a little bolt that goes across to keep it secure. In the rear with ramp, and it has mud flaps as well. You've got the long arm side view mirrors, halogen headlights, chrome bumper and grille, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we love to hear your comments.